This is why you need a 7-day sugar detox. Sugar wreaks havoc on your body, leading to energy crashes and weight gain. By cutting it out, you give your body a chance to reset and heal. Healthy sugars from fruits are different. You can eat as much whole organic fruit as possible. Trust me, it's a game changer. You'll feel more energetic, your skin will glow, and you'll sleep better. Hey there, it's your favorite New Yorker here. I'm excited to take you on this journey with me. I'm challenging myself to a 7-day sugar detox. It's going to be tough, but worth it. Can I survive without my beloved donuts and ice cream? Sure can. It's about finding healthier alternatives. Let's see how it goes. I'm ready to take on this challenge with full enthusiasm. Day 1, I swapped my morning cereal with egg white omelets. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. Goodbye sugar, hello energy. I'm already feeling more alert and focused. More energy, better mood, and a lighter me. It's amazing how quickly you can feel the benefits. Who knew ditching sugar could be this sweet? It's a rewarding experience. Let's do this. Join me on this 7-day journey and see the transformation for yourself. HRIFY loaded. These next few videos will have the audience blown away. Love you guys!